Today's video is gonna be a shorter one. Sorry for my hair, by the way. It's like a bad hair day. I've often been sick and so on, so sorry about that. It's kind of cool though, right? Anyway, in this video, we're gonna talk about webcams. And I have a webcam. I'm recording with my Logitech C922 Pro Stream. It's not the best. I'm not gonna lie. It's not the best. It's absolutely not best. It's not like Pro camera, 4K camera, stuff like that. It's actually not. But it's worth for the money though. But how can you improve the quality of it? And that's what we're going to talk about. And it's actually kind of easy. And let's go to the video and talk about it. Often what I see on Twitch, YouTube, and other places, it's when I watch streams and I see the person have a webcam or a camera or stuff like that, and they have just plain boring lights in the roof. And it's nothing really wrong with that. I just want you guys to improve. How can you do that? First thing you can do is actually have a light source somewhere else except in the roof. The roof is just boring mostly. I see you, but it's kind of boring. And if you want that, it's totally fine. I don't gonna roast that. It's like you do what you want to do. It's your stream, your YouTube video. You do you. Okay. I just want to come in front of you guys who actually care. So the one thing you can actually do is have a light source off cam, or maybe even two off cam. I can take a picture of that. I have an Elgato key light to my left, in the corner of the table. I have a light source, so you guys see this space, and this is a bit darker. The other light source is actually a desk lamp a bit, but you can move it. It's like stuff like that. So I actually have that also. So I have like a soft light. And of course, if you really want to go pro, you can have two Elgato lights, maybe one behind you and stuff like that. But that's that's too much. But just a light source off cam. Doesn't need to be here. It can be on the side or in the other side. Do a lot. One more thing to pop the webcam is actually have some lights, and it does actually a lot. If I look at myself now, it's like, damn man, it do a lot. Comparing just have lights in the roof versus have a light source off cam, maybe even two more softer, and have some RGB behind you. What else do you need? These RGBs is like one of them is Wish. It's like, it doesn't need to be the fancy stuff. Of course, I have an Elgato. Maybe that cost like $100, but that was actually worth it. But you don't need that. You don't need that. If you have a lamp off, go for it. They don't gonna see. No one's gonna see behind the camera anyway. What else more can you do? In the camera settings, we can do some stuff like saturation, some color correction, maybe more contrast, and so on, and tweak with that. Especially like if you have some stuff behind you, tweak with it. Color correction and contrasting and stuff like that is doing really much, and I can really recommend it. Good luck out there, and if this video helped you in any way, let me know down in the comment area, please. It's really fun to read if it helps, so appreciate it. Of course, like the video and have a great day. Man, look out. Take care. See you next video.